Ice cream in summer.
In the summertime, when the sun shines bright, and the air is warm, there is nothing better than a delicious ice cream cone. People of all ages love to cool off with this sweet treat on a hot day. At the ice cream shop, customers line up to choose from a variety of flavors. There are classics like vanilla and chocolate, fruity flavors like strawberry and mango, and even unique options like bubblegum and cotton candy. One customer, a young girl named Lily, always chooses strawberry ice cream. She loves the way it tastes and the bright pink color it comes in. Her little brother, Jack, prefers chocolate and always makes a mess with his cone. The ice cream shop is always busy in the summer, and the workers have to work fast to keep up with demand. They scoop out ice cream and add toppings like sprinkles, hot fudge, and whipped cream. Once Lily and Jack get their cones, they walk outside to enjoy them in the warm sun. They take big bites and savor the cold, creamy goodness. The ice cream melts quickly in the heat, and they have to lick fast to keep it from dripping all over their hands. Summer is a time for fun, and ice cream is just one of the many ways people enjoy themselves during this season. As the day wears on and the sun beats down, more and more people flock to the ice cream shop. The line grows longer, and the workers have to work even harder to keep up with the demand. But they do so with a smile, happy to see everyone enjoying their ice cream. Some customers choose to get their ice cream in cups instead of cones, so they can sit at one of the outdoor tables and enjoy their treat with a spoon. Others opt for milkshakes or floats, which are perfect for sipping while strolling down the street. As the sun starts to set, and the temperature drops, the ice cream shop starts to wind down for the day. The workers clean up and restock for the next day, while customers finish up their cones and head home. Lily and Jack are among the last customers to leave. They wave goodbye to the workers and promise to come back again soon. They walk home, satisfied and happy, with sticky hands and big smiles on their faces. Summer may be fleeting, but the memories made with ice cream will last a lifetime. It's a simple pleasure that brings people together, and a tradition that will never go out of style. So, when the heat is on and the sun is shining, head on over to the ice cream shop, and treat yourself to a sweet, cold scoop of happiness. On another hot summer day, Lily and Jack decide to try something new. They venture out to a different ice cream shop across town, one that has been highly recommended by their friends. When they arrive, they're greeted by a colorful array of ice cream flavors, some of which they've never heard of before. They decide to get a double scoop cone so they can try 2 different flavors each. Lily chooses lavender honey and raspberry sorbet, while Jack goes for cookies and cream and mint chocolate chip. They sit outside at a nearby table and enjoy their unique flavors, savoring every bite. As they sit and enjoy their treats, they watch as other customers come and go. Some people come alone, others in groups, but everyone seems to be having a good time. The ice cream shop has a cozy, welcoming atmosphere that makes everyone feel at home. After they finish their cones, Lily and Jack decide to take a walk around the neighborhood. They explore new streets, and admire the beautiful gardens and houses. As they walk, they notice that they're not the only ones enjoying ice cream that day. They see people walking their dogs with ice cream cones in hand, families sitting on their front porch enjoying a sundae, and kids running around with ice cream mustaches. Ice cream is more than just a sweet treat in the summer. It's a symbol of joy and community, a way to cool off and celebrate life's simple pleasures. So, whether you're enjoying a classic flavor or trying something new, take a moment to savor every scoop and appreciate the happiness it brings.